Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a drone with a good camera, GPS, long flight time, stable video, and useful smart flight features, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best China drones on Amazon in 2026. These drones offer different combinations of camera quality, GPS features, gimbal stabilization, flight time, portability, and beginner-friendly controls. So let's take a look at all 5 options and find out which drone could be the best choice for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Bwine F7 GIM 4K Video / 6K Photo Drone. This drone stands out because it combines a 4K video camera, 6K photo capability, and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. And the 3-axis mechanical gimbal is a particularly important feature. Compared with basic electronic stabilization, a mechanical gimbal can physically stabilize the camera and help produce smoother footage when the drone is moving. For people interested in aerial photography and video, this makes the Bwine F7 GIM a very interesting choice. The drone is designed for adults and focuses heavily on camera performance and stabilized footage. Pros: 4K video recording, 6K photo capability, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, better stabilization for aerial footage, designed for adults, strong choice for photography and video enthusiasts. The Bwine F7 GIM is our number 1 choice because of its 3-axis mechanical gimbal combined with 4K video and 6K photo capability. If smooth camera footage is one of your biggest priorities, this drone has a major advantage over many entry-level drones that rely only on electronic stabilization. Number 2. V918 GPS Drone with 8K Camera. The first thing that stands out is the camera resolution. It's marketed with an 8K camera, making it appealing to users who want high-resolution aerial photography. Another major feature is the included 5-inch HD screen on the remote controller. That means you can monitor your drone's camera feed directly from the controller, which can be especially convenient when you're flying outdoors. The GPS system is also designed to provide useful positioning features and improve the overall flying experience. Pros: 8K camera specification, large 5-inch HD controller screen, GPS positioning, convenient dedicated display, suitable for adults looking for a camera drone, good feature set for recreational flying. The V918 is a good option if your priorities are a large controller display, GPS functionality, and a high-resolution camera specification. For users who don't want to depend on a phone screen while flying, the 5-inch display is one of its biggest advantages. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. This is one of the more interesting options on today's list. The Atom SE features a 4K EIS camera, GPS positioning, and a lightweight design that comes in under 249 grams. One of its biggest advantages is flight time. The package is advertised with up to 62 minutes of flight time with the stated setup, making it particularly attractive for people who want longer aerial sessions. It also features a brushless motor, up to 4 km FPV transmission, a maximum speed of around 16 meters per second, auto return, and a foldable design. Pros: 4K camera with EIS stabilization, under 249 gram lightweight design, up to 62 minutes of flight time with the stated setup, GPS positioning, up to 4 km FPV transmission, brushless motors, maximum speed up to 16 meters per second, auto return function, and foldable and portable. The Potensic Atom SE is a strong all-around choice, especially for beginners and intermediate users who prioritize flight time, portability, GPS, and 4K video. If you're looking for a drone that's lightweight and can stay in the air for a long time, this one deserves serious consideration. Number 4. GPS Drone with EIS Camera and 4.5-inch LCD controller. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. You don't necessarily need to rely on your smartphone to view the drone's live camera feed because the controller includes its own display. This drone also features GPS positioning, brushless motor, and intelligent flight modes like AI tracking, orbit mode, follow me, and auto return. With its under 249-gram design, it's also focused on being lightweight and portable. Pros: built-in 4.5-inch LCD screen on the controller, EIS camera stabilization, GPS positioning, AI tracking and follow me modes, orbit flight mode, auto return feature, brushless motors, under 249-gram lightweight design. If you want a drone that combines GPS, smart flight modes, a built-in controller screen, and a lightweight design, this is an interesting option. For beginners, features like auto return and GPS positioning can also make the flying experience more convenient. Number 5. Ruko F11 Pro 2 Drone. This drone is designed for adults and comes with a 6K camera while supporting 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. The camera makes it a good option for users who want to capture aerial photos and videos without spending money on a professional-level drone. The F11 Pro 2 also focuses on easy operation and portability, making it suitable for recreational flying, travel, outdoor activities, and beginners who want to step into aerial photography. Pros: 6K camera for high-resolution photos, 4K video at 30 frames per second, designed for adults users and beginners, foldable and portable design. Good option for recreational aerial photography. And there you have it, the top 5 best China drones on Amazon in 2026. Each drone has its own strengths, so the best choice really depends on what matters most to you: camera quality, stabilization, flight time, GPS, portability, or smart flight features. Before buying, make sure to check the latest price, available package, included batteries, flight time conditions, and local drone regulations. If this video helped you choose your next drone, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and top 5 buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.